to my channel. For those of you I know here, my name is Zia and welcome to my channel. To my returning subscriber, thank you so much for being patient with me. I know guys, please don't come for me in the comments. I know I took a very long break, which I'm unapologetic about, but guys, I'm back with a full force. I'm gonna give you a content guys. So I didn't know what to film for you, and also making enough phone right to film for you and get like this. So I just decided, no, let me just stop. So today's video we are doing a full glam makeup tutorial. So without wasting your time, let's get straight into the video. I don't know what eyeshadow look I'm going for, but I'll see. Let's just start with this eyeshadow palette from Wet n Wild. I'll be using this transition shade over here. So let's go. Okay, wait, I need a mirror. I don't know guys, I'm just gonna go for like brown and gold, you know. I did my eyebrows off camera because I don't want this video to be long, so yeah. And then I'm gonna go in with this brown shade over here. Guys, blend you. Yeah, blend. I'm using the very same brush. Use another brush. I'm gonna use this clean fluffy brush because I feel like I want to blend more. I don't want to do it too much, so I'm gonna get in with this color over here. I'm just using the very same palette. I'm gonna go with this gold shade over here. I'll be using this flat dome brush. I got this one also from Essence. This eyeshadow brush from Essence. I will just pick I think we're good to go. Yeah, we're good to go. Let me just blend. Yeah. Yes. I'm gonna prime my face using this new baby skin pore instant pore eraser. This is from Maybelline. It's very important to prep your skin before you do makeup. It's very important. Next up, I'm gonna use this Rose Glow from Revlon. It's Rose Glow Hydrating Plus Illuminating Primer. For foundation, I'll be using my Revlon Color Stay Full Coverage Foundation. This is in the shade 245. And sorry, it's in the shade 425 Caramel. And then I'll be using a beauty blender to apply my foundation. I don't remember the last time using a beauty blender on my face. It's been so long, hey? The coverage.
It's the coverage for me. It's the coverage for me.
I love the fact that it's matte, but it has a glow coming through. So I love it. I love it. Shem, I'm full into wash. And then for my concealer, I'll be using this Revlon Color Stay Concealer. This is in the shade, where is the shade? 6 Deep. Here's the shade. I don't know if you can see, but it's in the shade 6. 06, is it 6? Let's move to contour. To contour my face, I'll be using this Revlon Color Stay Life Proof cover. This is in the shade 410 Cappuccino. I'm so sorry you guys, my camera just stopped recording, so for my powder, I'll be using Revlon Photo Ready Candid Anti-Pollution Powder in the shade 002. My contour, for my powder contour, I'll be using this contour from Essence. It's Contouring Duo palette from Essence. For my foundation powder, I'll be using this Infallible powder from L'Oreal Paris. This is in the shade, okay, this is in the shade 340. So I got that press. For my blush, the Carnegie blush, guys, I love the blush with all of my heart and soul. For my blush, I'll be using this blush from Essence. This is in the shade 40 Beloved. Ishiya maliqonde intombi ifake iblush. So this is what I'm doing right now. Yep. And then we move to my glow highlighter. So for my highlighter, I'll be using this Hyper Glow palette from MAC. I'll be using this shade over here, this darker shade. I'll be using this brush to apply my And then for my lashes, I'll be using this big lash volume boost. So guys, for my eyeliner, I just used this Essence liquid ink eyeliner, and then now I'm gonna go off camera and stick on my lashes. So I'll be back. Oh, hey, nice time. I don't know how I fold the lashes. Okay, to finish off this look, we will, I don't know what lip color I'm going for. I don't know. So let's see this nude color. I bought this from China Mall. To finish off this look, we're gonna put our setting spray. This is Fair Level Magic Setting Spray from L'Oreal. So guys, let me quickly do my hair. I'm gonna come back to close off this video. Okay guys, so thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to comment, like and subscribe.